Hello, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you the project 1 of the course Cs50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This project consisted on creating a website where a user can log in and look for a determined book from a certain list and leave a review and a comment on that book. The interface of the application I designed is the one you can see on the screen right now, and we can see that there are various functions. The first one and the most interesting that I would like to talk about first is the login. Well, here we can obviously put our username and our password, but firstly we need to sign up. So in this case, I'm going to try to create my own account, and when I try to create an account, it is this my username, the username I'm using. It tells me that this username is already in use, so I have covered the option that a user tries to create an account of someone that already has one. So in this case, I will just log in easily, just type in my username, my password, and I will log in, and you can see here that my username is available, so I can see it on the screen right now. If I wanted to log out, the username would just disappear. So I'm going to re-log in quickly so I can show you the next functions. Well, the interface also provides 3 different browsers. The first one is an ISBN browser, a book name browser, and an author browser. As it is required, if we just input part of the name, part of the title, we can see here a person called Laurel. So that person will appear only because I typed the letters LA. I could have typed any letter actually. I could have typed, for example, in book name BRI. For example, I don't know if there exists yet. There exist some books, and all the books containing those letters appear in a list. So the user can enter any of them. For example, I'm going to enter this one, Briar's book, and there are several properties of the book that we can see here displayed now, and we can introduce a review. For example, love this book is a review I typed before in some other book that when I was trying the application. We can post the review and the page will reload, showing the review here written by myself, and the rating is 5. The comment I left is this one. For example, we can go, let me show you something, because I before typed some other yeah, here you can see some other reviews. Yeah, basically for any other user, this is loaded into the database, and he can just see any review by any user. In this case, I am the only user in this application, so I am the only user commenting. Sorry. Next thing we can show is the API. So if we type /API/ followed by the ISBN, we access to a page where we can see some data in a JSON notation of the book. And well, finally, I just wanted to show you the import.py file I use in order to create the database. So you can see all the things I imported. I also created that ng and the database in this URL provided by Heroku. And basically, the main function in this file creates 3 tables: one for books, one for reviews, one for users. And after creating those tables, I proceed to read the file provided by Harvard University, where I just deleted the first row where the titles were included, because for the column year I created it making an integer, so the letters, the string year, could not be read, so I had to delete that row. So just I created a loop, so for each book a book is inserted into the database, and then I commit all the changes saved by the db.execute file. And that would be everything. I hope you liked, and hope to see you soon.